So let's go lesson by lesson and understand. Let's see what we understand at the end of this trading psychology session. So basically, what is trading psychology? Success in trading depends majorly on our mindset. There are no hidden secrets. A lot of people think there are some magical formula which we can get and then we can start making money. I'm telling you, if there is of a certain person, if the mindset is not good, even if there is a trade in front of them and they know this trade can work, still they are not able to take that trade. Even if they take that trade, they will not be able to execute it properly. Even if they are able to execute it properly, they will cut their positions after few points. They will not go till the end and will not reap the benefit. If their mind is locked for 20,000 rupees, I'm really sorry if I'm stepping on some toes, but I really want to help people out of this. That's why I will be talking a lot about trading psychology. If the mind is locked for 20,000 rupees a month, or 30,000 rupees a month, or 10,000 rupees a month, and you see a trade in which you can earn 1 lakh rupee, you will not be able to take that trade. Your mind will lock you. It will not allow you to take that trade. It will say what you will do with 1 lakh rupees. You are a person who is earning just 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees a month. Your mind has already set limitations for you. It will not let you reach or break that barrier or break that frequency. 80% of a success has nothing to do with knowledge. People often think there is a magical formula which can give them profitable trades. The secret lies in discipline, patience, and controlling your emotions while trading. Now you will say how I can come out of this mindset. Drop by drop, step by step, time by time, day by day. You will keep improving. Just set a task for yourself. Today I will take only 3 trades. When you follow that thing, even if you make loss, your mind after 2 3 days of this continuation, your mind will start accepting that okay, 3 trades only I have to take. Even if you are taking 20 trades out of revenge and reaching nowhere, say my loss. I told you, do this. All my students, I have told this. Start your mindset with a loss in calculation. I will lose this much today. When you not focus on money, you focus on your process. And what is your process? Process is your trading rule. You make more money with this, what I am saying, rather than focusing on money. Today I have to make 1 lakh rupees. Let's sit on the table. By the end of 3:30, you have actually given 1 lakh rupee to the market. Yeah. Even the most successful traders make losses. If somebody is telling you that they don't make losses and they make money, they are lying. Everybody make losses, but there is a difference. Successful traders, professional traders who make losses, they know how to control that. They know how to control that. And people who are novice and who are not good in this trading psychology, they brag about it when they are making good money here and there, and they just cannot control their emotions when they are losing the money. Don't get excited and start sharing your screens when you make good profits. And don't be sad when you lose. Try to stay calm. This will build your character. This will build mind of a trader for you.